Good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to cover how you guys can convert an old legacy copy on write table into a merge on read table. So in this video, I will be demonstrating first. I'll be creating some sample cow tables. I'll then essentially use my Hoodie CLI to connect to my S3 data and then basically convert my legacy COW table into a MAR table. After that, to verify, I'm gonna write some new data into the table using the table type as merge on read. So let's get started with the entire process. Just before we do, prerequisite, Hoodie CLI should be installed on your machine. If you do not have that installed, you can come to my LinkedIn and you can watch the YouTube video or read the blog post. All the steps are mentioned. This shows you how to configure the Hoodie CLI. Okay, so now without wasting any further time, let's rock and roll. Step one, we need a cow table. So I'm gonna be generating a sample copy on write table with this particular Python script. Hopefully you guys can see, I'm using a library called Faker and I'm generating some fake data frame for customer and order, as you can see over here. Now I'm gonna write these two data as the table type is gonna be copy on write. Hopefully you guys can see over here, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and execute the cell. Once the execution is complete, I should be seeing some sample copy on write tables on my S3, this particular bucket. So I'm gonna basically resume the video once this is complete. All right, looks like that's complete. So if I go to S3, I would be seeing a bronze folder and I see some two tables as customer and order. These both tables are copy on write table. Now that we have a copy on write table, now let's learn how we can migrate the copy on write table to a merge on read table. So the next step is connecting to your Hoodie CLI. So yeah, now that you have these copy on write table, now let's take a look at the process on how you would convert that into a merge on read. So go to your table on S3 or wherever that is, right? And then click on .hoodie. And there must be a file called Hoodie properties. Click on that and download the file. Now, as you can see, this particular file has been downloaded. I can open that with the text editor, copy everything over here, okay? And now what we will do is we're gonna go to the IntelliJ. Now create a file called new hoodies.property. Paste all the configuration that you have over here, right? Now, what we need to do over here is we just need to change the table type to copy on write, okay? So let's take a look at that. So here, line 14, Hoodie table type, it is a copy on write. So now I will change that to merge on read, copy. And there you can see I've changed it to merge on read. Now we need to connect to the Hoodie CLI. So I'm on the Docker container. Again, this particular step, how to get started with the Hoodie CLI, I have a video, I have a blog. Please follow the steps over there, okay? Now, assuming you have the Hoodie CLI, right? Now, what we want to do is, let me first clean up all of everything. All right, so I'm gonna zoom in so that you guys can see this a little better. So now I'm gonna create a directory called props. I'm gonna cd into that. Again, this is the work directory, home, blue user and props. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new file over there. I'm gonna say nano new hoodie.properties. Okay, and then I will copy paste all the settings where I just change the table type to merge on read. So copy, go over here, paste, Control O, and then exit. Right? And you can verify by doing a cat. So I can say cat new hoodie, and again, hopefully made sense, right? So here you can see merge on read. Now cd.ls cd CLI. So now I'm gonna start my Hoodie CLI. So as you can see, my Hoodie CLI has been now started. So let me zoom out. Now I will connect to this particular table, the order table that we want to migrate to merge on read. So I'm gonna click on copy S3 URI. Go to the terminal and I can use the word connect. If it's a little tiny to see, I'm gonna probably zoom in. So connect --path and then provide your S3 path. And again, now you are connected. Now I can run commands. So I guess we can first see show commits. I guess it's commit show. Was it commit show or show commit? I forgot the syntax though. Yeah, commit show. Again, here you can see the commits. If I zoom out, hopefully made sense, right? Now let's take a look. Okay, now that you have a copy on write table, now how you can migrate that, right? So now what we will do is we'll use this particular command. So I have that in my notes. Again, your new properties is inside this particular directory, right? So what we will do is we're gonna fire this particular command, repair overwrite hoodie props hyphen hyphen new prop file and the path to your particular prop file. So I will copy this, go here, and I'm gonna paste that in. And here you can see now it has successfully done that for me. So observe here this particular line, copy on write and the new value is merge on read. So you know the hoodie CLI has converted my table now into a merge on read. So now that's done, let's verify whether I can write data now into a MOR table, right? Previously I did that using copy on write, but now I'm gonna write using MOR. So back to my screen over here. I believe, let me see where is this one. Okay, yeah. All right, so now I'm gonna generate some sample data. Okay, now observe one thing. This time I'm writing as a merge on read table, okay, in the order table. Before, for the first time, I wrote that as a copy on write, right? So now I'm gonna fire this particular command. Before I do that, I wanna show you inside the hoodie folder, I do not have anything called delta commit. So the moment I write, now I should be seeing a delta commit, right? Because it's a MOR table. So I come here, I would run this command. Now this could take a couple of seconds. So I wanna pause the video and resume once this is done. All right, that's complete. Now if you go back to S3, again, now I'm gonna refresh. And I should be seeing a delta commit here. Oh, look at that. You can see, right? Delta commit. So we successfully now wrote into our merge on read table, right? Which was previously a copy on write table, right? So I hope this video was useful and I hope this guide will help you out to migrate your old legacy copy on write table to merge on read table. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please make sure to like, subscribe and share the video with your coworkers and colleagues. And I'll see you next time.